Hello everyone. My name is Sharak, I'm from Pakistan and this is my CS50 final project. The idea behind this project was to create a movies and TV shows database like AMDb. Essentially you can browse, search and watch list movies and TV shows. It uses Bootstrap for the front end and Flask backend. For database, I am using SQL Alchemy as ORM or Object Relational Mapper, which helps create SQL databases and its tables using Python classes. I'm using API from the Movies Database or TMDB to fetch movies and TV shows data. As you can see, we are on the index page of the website and the first thing you notice is the slideshow which displays top-rated movies of all time. Next up we have trending movies and shows within these tabs. Then we have a list of now playing movies and a list of on-air shows this week. The request URLs for these responses are all available on TMDB website. And we have watchlist icons at the top of these cards which are used to send post requests using JavaScript Fetch API. So you can add or remove movies and TV shows in real time. In order to watch list, user must be logged in, so let's sign up with a new account. Now the sign up requires that you enter a unique username that is not taken by another user, otherwise it will give us an error. Let's sign up and we will be redirected to index page. Notice now your username is displayed in navbar. And now we can use the watch list feature. So movies and shows are being added or removed from database in real time. You can read the implementation details from README to get a better understanding. Now if we want to open up a specific movie or TV show, we can do that and we get its details along with its trailer and a list of similar movies that we can browse. And if we click on a show, we get its details and trailer along with all of its seasons and similar shows. We can further browse its seasons as well, which will display all of its episodes along with their ratings and overviews. Up top we have the navigation with search bar. Search bar uses two routes. One route is for search suggestions, which uses JavaScript's Fetch API with asynchronous function to fetch movies or shows data on each keystroke or input. While the other is the actual search route that takes us to the search page. Search suggestions are updated on each keystroke. Now, if we click the search button, we are routed to the search page. The search page displays movies and TV shows in pages and within separate tabs. Moving down, we have pagination, which shows the total pages of your search result. Since returning all the movies and TV shows at once in a response would impact performance, the API gives us the responsive search in pages. You can use the pagination to move around different pages to find desired movie or show. Lastly, we have our profile page, which displays our personal information, a form to change our password and a list of movies and TV shows that we have watchlisted. We can remove watchlisted content in real time, and once we reload the page, our list will be updated. I have deployed the website using Python Anywhere and you can visit it from the link in description. My name is Sharak and this was my CS50 final project. Thanks for watching.